Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we have an important topic to discuss, the potential end of Windows 10. As many of you know, Windows 10 has been a widely used operating system for several years now. However, there have been rumors and speculation about its future. So, let's dive in and explore the possibilities. Before we delve into the details, let's clarify the current state of Windows 10. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Windows 10 is still an actively supported operating system by Microsoft. However, it's crucial to stay informed as technology can change rapidly. So, let's discuss a few scenarios that could potentially mark the end of Windows 10. One possible scenario is the introduction of a successor to Windows 10. Microsoft has a history of releasing new versions of their operating systems periodically. We've seen this transition from Windows 7 to Windows 8, and eventually to Windows 10. It's conceivable that Microsoft may have plans for a new iteration in the future. However, the timing and specifics of such a release remain uncertain. Another possibility is the eventual end of mainstream support for Windows 10. Microsoft provides different support phases for their operating systems, including mainstream support and extended support. While Windows 10 is currently in its mainstream support phase, it's important to note that there will come a time when extended support takes over. During this phase, Microsoft focuses primarily on security updates and critical bug fixes, rather than introducing new features. One interesting development in the software industry is the shift towards subscription-based models. We've seen this with various software services and even Microsoft's own Office suite. It's conceivable that Microsoft may consider a similar approach for their operating system in the future. However, it's purely speculative at this point, and no official announcements have been made regarding such a transition for Windows 10. In conclusion, while the future of Windows 10 remains uncertain, it's essential to stay updated with the latest news and official announcements from Microsoft. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Windows 10 is still actively supported. Whether it's the introduction of a successor, the transition to extended support, or the possibility of a subscription model, time will tell what lies ahead for Windows users. We'll keep you informed as new developments arise. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful or have any insights to share, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.